Hey guys, I'm going to show you really quick how I change my thread colors every time I change color. So as you can see, I had black thread previously. What I do is I add the new thread, I cut and I make a nice knot. This knot has to be secure, okay? And you do that to all of your threads. This one was never cut, so it's fine. And then right here you could see all the black thread running through, and that goes through this underbelly here as well. The most important thing that you want to do is this. So basically the first thing you're going to do is cut this main needle thread. You could thread that easily by pulling on the thread. Release the tension off of the one that has the most tension. So in my case it's this one, and then it's just going to run through and you're going to see it go through. There it goes. And then you always want to towards the back. And let me hold that again. You want to pull through the back and softly. You want to feel the thread go through all the proper channels, because if you feel any resistance, you want to slow down and see what's grabbing onto the thread. If not, it's going to pop or break, and you don't want that. So now we have our two other threads. We have our main needle thread. We're going to thread the needle and we're going to sew. If by any chance anything broke or it went through the wrong channel, this is not going to sew correctly. And this is my extra security needle. I'm going to add it later for my next project, but I leave it floating unless I need to use it. But I hope that helped, and you don't have to always go through all the motions and all the channels. You have to basically just tie a good knot and then simply guide it through the back. Thanks for watching.